Hey folks, Anthony here with MiniJet Inc. on another Tech Tip Tuesday. Today, I want to talk to you about hull panel thickness. Let's go. Starting with the hull bottom panels, we only use 1/4 inch thick material on our boats 10 foot and up. Our competitors like to use half as thick material and charge you for the extra durability. We start with 1/4 inch from square one. For the sides, front deck, and other panels on the boat, we like to use 1/8 inch thick material. It's strong, robust, easy to bend, and easy to repair and weld for you. At the back of the boat here, we like to use a thicker 3/16 inch panel for the rear fascia. Gives us a great surface to weld to and a nice, beautiful look. Last but not least, at the back of the boat here, we have our standard 3/16 inch thick pump guard tubes. These are great for protecting your jet drive from rock hits. That's all for today's Tech Tip, folks. Let us know what you want to see on the next one, and we'll see you on the water.